Hey there. So I thought I'd chat with you about printing data in Python. I know it can seem straightforward, but it's cool stuff that can actually save you a headache later down the line. Trust me, once you get a taste of this, you'll see why I'm keen to tell you about it. Now print statements in Python are like the friendly neighbors. They're there not just to do a job but to help the system understand what's going on. See, when you're writing code like a bunch of complex algorithms or data manipulations, print statements act as little signposts guiding you along. Sure, it's a manual task, but trust me, mastering it is key for a confident code crafter. Let's start with using print, the standard method. The syntax is simple. You invoke print with the text you want to display in parentheses, and it's as simple as that. But there's a catch. Python's an expressive language, remember? You'll often see it formatted elegantly with f-strings, format specifiers, or even the % operator. And here's how print using f-strings in Python. Here's a simple example. Python name is equal to Neeraj, job underscore title is equal to IT intern. Print in this line output would be, hello, my name is Neeraj and I am an IT intern. Now, what about formatting with the % operator? I told you there's a catch. This can be a pain when dealing with complex data, but it's still important to know how it works. Here's a slice of life using the % operator. Python name is equal to Neeraj, job underscore title is equal to IT intern. Print here, the output would also display, Neeraj is an IT intern. Printing on Python can get pretty advanced. You might wanna consider using logging or sys. Logging helps you track your program's execution. For debugging, sys gives a hand with command line arguments or output file redirection. They're next level stuff you'll be wielding like a pro, trust me. Now to bring it back to our little conversation, remember when I started off with print and f-strings, and now we're talking about logging and sys. It's like you've been on a Python ride, right? Remember, print functions in Python have versatilities. Whether it's displaying a simple message, representing complex data structures elegantly, or debugging your code, print statements are the unsung heroes of a Python programmer's toolset and can be quite useful in certain situations. By the time you feel comfortable printing data in Python, you are well on your way to becoming a seasoned practitioner. But don't get overconfident. There's always more to learn, but fear not, we have plenty of resources to assist us. And remember, practice makes perfect, never stop practicing. Now, why not get yourself a handful of resources to read up on this topic? And here's what to look for: books, blogs, forums, and tutorials all on Python's print statements to make your learning journey smooth and efficient. Also, join online communities, participate in discussions, and exchange your Python insights with fellow coders. Now that we've explored some corners on printing in Python, it's enough to get going or to take a deeper dive where needed. Remember, the goal to print smart, not just print statements. And as with anything in coding, the journey to mastering it happens one line at a time. So, never hesitate to ask questions, seek guidance, or share knowledge. That's pretty much everything about printing data in Python. I hope this gives a clear picture. To further solidify your understanding, I highly recommend visiting the website neeraj.qzz.io. It's a treasure trove of Python resources. Subscribe there for more tips, techniques, and tutorials to level up your Python skills. Let's keep the Python conversation going. I'm eager to see you tackle the next chapters in your coding journey.